Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in.
There are two types of smart TV users: those who stick with the built-in operating system, like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or LG's OS, and those who prefer external streaming devices for more control and functionality. The latter is especially useful for older TVs, or those wanting additional features. When selecting a streaming device for your TV, it's essential to consider factors such as compatibility with your existing ecosystem, desired features, and budget. Here's our list of the top streaming devices of 2025, including our pick for the best overall option. This device is praised for its affordability, user-friendly interface, and support for 4K HDR content. It offers a vast selection of streaming services and features a voice remote for convenient navigation. Ideal for users deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, this device provides seamless access to Apple services and supports high-quality video and audio formats. It is known for its fast performance and smooth user experience. This streaming stick offers excellent integration with Amazon's Alexa ecosystem, allowing for voice control and smart home connectivity. It supports 4K streaming and is considered cost-effective. This device combines the convenience of casting content from your smartphone with a comprehensive Google TV interface, providing personalized recommendations and easy access to various streaming services. Known for its powerful performance, this device supports 4K HDR streaming and offers additional gaming capabilities, making it a versatile choice for both streaming and gaming enthusiasts. When choosing the best streaming device, consider your specific needs, such as the streaming services you use, compatibility with other devices in your home, and whether features like voice control or gaming capabilities are important to you. If you're on a budget and want simplicity, go for the Roku Streaming Stick 4K. If you're an Apple user, the Apple TV 4K provides seamless integration. For Alexa fans or Amazon Prime members, the Fire TV Stick 4K is a natural choice. Choose the Google Chromecast with Google TV if you prefer a Google-centric experience. For gamers or those who want the best performance, the Nvidia Shield TV is unmatched.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.